Taking medicines but your cough still disturbs your sleep at night? This is a common question we hear every day. At night, gravity changes. Mucus pools in the throat and chest. Airways become more sensitive. If immunity is weak, the body reacts with continuous coughing. Cough medicines give only temporary relief. They do not repair irritated airways or correct the immune imbalance behind repeated coughing. Natural immunotherapy works differently. It supports the immune system instead of silencing it. It helps reduce excess mucus production. It nourishes the lungs and airway lining with essential nutrients. It focuses on long-term immune stability, not short-term relief. As the body heals internally, nighttime coughing episodes gradually reduce. When treatment supports the body, sleep returns naturally. Want permanent relief? Consult us at +919 800 808595.